Get out of here. We don't have no trouble in our hands about some 30 strangers, a tiger, and the daughter of the worst man in the village.
Please calm down. We are here in peace, and we may have a solution to your problems.
What do you know about our problems, huh? That tiger took our chickens, that girl has the time for our mother, and we don't even know who you two are, huh?
We are orphans from this very village. When we were young, the mayor killed our parents, and we were banished from this town. We were back to punish the mayor.
And I only stole your chickens because the mayor kidnapped my wife and baby, except for yours, that are standing in
And I ran away from my father because he traded my life for a chicken.
We're here to help you overthrow the mayor. To help us overthrow the mayor, what can you help us with?
We will teach you a type of fighting called martial arts. Demonstrate, brother.
Stand back.
Wow.
Wow,
Shit out.
Yeah.
That's right.
But we still don't have enough men to overthrow the mayor.
The woman must fight too.
Let us honor her up. If the woman is to go to battle with us, we will wear them about them.
The women are much stronger than you think. They give birth to babies. Do you men think you can do that?
Yes, the woman can fight. We have a lot to lose if my father continues to be the mayor.
If you guys are serious, I will teach you right now. Just line up.